Hello everyone, welcome back to my another live stream. Okay, first of all, a very good evening to all of you. Okay, whoever joined. So, like वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले just a small request to all of you guys. Okay, just let me know guys कि यदि आपको मेरी आवाज़ प्रॉपर सुनाई दे रही है एंड वीडियो भी क्लियर आ रहा है या नहीं. ओके, यदि आपको कोई ऑडियो में कोई भी इशू आपको द चैट बॉक्स ओके एंड द चैट. Okay, then I will try to fix it. Okay, so now before introducing to the project, कि आज के स्ट्रीम में हम कौन से प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं, I just want to introduce myself to you guys. Okay, just a quick introduction. Okay, so my name is Manish Tiwari. Okay, and I have created this web dev IT channel. Okay, जहाँ पर मैं कोडिंग से रिलेटेड स्पेसिफिकली मॉड स्टैक से रिलेटेड वीडियो को अपलोड करता हूँ. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन कोडिंग रिलेटेड वीडियो और if you interested in mod stack video, especially in mod video on React or let's say JavaScript or backend application like Node.js, Express, okay, or with a database as well like MongoDB or MySQL. So you can go to my channel. There you will find lots of projects, okay, which you can watch and have some understanding about that. Okay, so I hope you you don't have any query regarding me, who am I. Okay, but still if you have any question regarding me, you can ask me in the chat section, who am I. So I will guys. Okay, so don't hesitate if you have any query or anything regarding me. Okay, so now let's start with the today live stream. Okay, so आज के इस लाइव स्ट्रीम वीडियो में हम इन ब्राउजर मार्कडाउन एडिटर इस एप्लीकेशन को क्रिएट करेंगे. सो यदि आप एक लेट्स से फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर हैं, ओके, और यदि आप कोई एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट सर्च कर रहे हैं जो आप अपने पोर्टफोलियो में ऐड कर सकें, जिसको कि आप जैसे कि आप स्टैंड आउट कर सकें, अपने आप को स्किल्स को शोकेस कर सकें. सो आई होप आज का यह लाइव स्ट्रीम आज के इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जो हम प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करने वाले हैं वो आपके लिए एक राइट प्रोजेक्ट होगा, और वी कैन से द गुड प्रोजेक्ट विच यू कैन ऐड इनटू योर पोर्टफोलियो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी कि आज के इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम जो प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करने वाले हैं वो प्रोजेक्ट क्या है. I already told you the name of this project. It's a real-time markdown editor. Okay, markdown editor means I hope you already know about what is a markdown, for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so markdown is also a language. इस अंतर क्या होता है कोडिंग में. if you are on the software engineer, you already know कि यदि हम कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करते हैं, so to show or to explain our project to another person, okay, what we do, we usually push our code to the GitHub repository or anywhere, any online platform, and there we upload a file. Okay, most of the time we upload a MD file. MD अपने प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन को लिखते हैं और ये भी मेंशन करते हैं कि हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे रन कर सकते हैं. Okay, so just consider it's a kind of a language. Okay, with the help of we can create a kind of text kind of file. If you write any language, it will be convert into this preview state, okay, on GitHub, and then any person can view your GitHub repository and view your markdown editor file, markdown file, and can refer to your project and can have best understanding about your project. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, so आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक मार्कडाउन एडिटर का प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट करेंगे. Here at the left side you can see it's a markdown editor. Okay, just like a code editor where जहाँ पर हम अपने markdown कोड को लिखेंगे, and at the right side you can see the preview component. ओके, जहाँ पर हम यदि हम जो भी मार्कडाउन कोड लिखेंगे ये रियल टाइम में उसे प्रीव्यू करता है। ओके, लाइक वी कैन शो द प्रीव्यू स्टेट एज वेल इन अ रियल टाइम। Okay, let's see. यदि मैं here you can say we have created one heading called welcome to markdown. Okay, so let's say we have created some like lower heading. Okay, let's say we write sorry guys, welcome to web dev yt. Okay, now you can say प्रीव्यू में भी हमारा जो कन्वर्जन हो रहा है लाइक मार्कडाउन से जो प्रीव्यू का कन्वर्जन हो रहा है वो भी रियल टाइम में हो रहा है। जैसे हम कोई भी टेक्स्ट यहाँ पर टाइप बी सी यू कैन से इट्स प्रीव्यू ऑन द राइट साइड एज वेल। लाइक हम उसको प्रीव्यू कर सकते हैं। बट इफ यू ओनली वांट टू सी द प्रीव्यू स्टेट यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस आइकन एंड वी कैन सी द प्रीव्यू स्टेट एज वेल। Okay, like this. Okay, so I hope you understood the project. Let me show some another feature also this project. Okay, so now यहाँ पर होता है at the top we have a like section जहाँ पर आपको सबसे पहले एक मेन्यू आइकन दिखता है। तो जैसे आप मेन्यू आइकन पर क्लिक करते हैं या एक साइड बार ओपन करता है जहाँ पर आपको लाइक फाइल से आपका मार्कडाउन फाइल से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन शो होती है और डॉक्यूमेंट like you can say currently we have the welcome.md file, then we have the untitled document.md file. Okay, and we can toggle between our markdown files as well. Okay, as you can see here. Just give me a second guys. Yeah. Okay, so like this, and here you can create your like md file. Okay, and it will be preview like right. Okay, you can see the preview state also. Okay, और सबसे बॉटम में आप इफ यू कैन सी एंड लाइक बॉटम लेफ्ट साइड यहाँ पर हमने एक टॉगल थीम का भी फंक्शनलिटी ऐड किया है। सो लाइक यू कैन चेंज दिस लाइक एप्लीकेशन थीम एज वेल लाइक फ्रॉम dark mode to light mode. Like you can say if I select light mode it will look like this. Okay, you can see it, and also if I select dark mode and you can say it will look like this. Okay, so this is the sidebar of our application, and also if we want to create any new document as well, so we can click on this new document button and you can see a beautiful toaster message, and also a new document will be created here. Okay, name will be by default the name of the new document will be document.md. Okay, but if you want to like rename it, so here you can say like first you need to select your document. Okay, then here you can click on the your file name जहाँ पर आपका फाइल नेम है वहाँ पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं, and then if you want to rename it you can rename it like you can say my markdown. Okay, and done, it rename it. And if you want to see here also, okay, so first we need to save it to see the changes. First we as we saved you can see our file name also got changed here. Okay, here just one thing we need to take care, like everything each like every time if we make any changes into our application, so like to persist that changes we need to click on the save changes. Okay, like as I have not implemented the auto save functionality in this application. Okay, that also we can implement it, but it's let's say out of the scope for the today video. Okay, so like for this video we only have this like some kind of can think about the basic CRUD type of application. Okay, where we can create a new markdown document. Okay, we can edit that document and we can save it, and also we can delete that document also. Okay, if you want, let's say I have created this untitled document. Okay, and I want to delete this document. Okay, so to delete it, here you can set on the right side like top right side you can see a delete icon is there. So जैसे हम delete icon पर click करते हैं you can see there will be a prompt message. So are you sure want to delete the untitled document.md file or md document and its contents. Okay, like you can see this action is not reversed, so make sure यदि आप delete करना चाहते हैं then only just click on this confirm and delete button, and then you can say your document will be deleted. Okay, and one more thing, like I have implemented one copy functionality as well. Okay, so यदि आपने markdown like अपने markdown code लिख दिया आपने file को, okay, and if you want to copy this document and use anywhere, okay, so you can click on this icon, okay, document icon, then it will show markdown copied, it will show this toast message, okay, and that means like your, like you can say the content has been copied. Okay, so let me show. I hope you remember मैंने एक markdown .md नाम से फाइल क्रिएट किया है. So let's paste it here. Okay, if I right click, so here you can say I have the paste options. If I paste it, you can say I have that content here. Okay, so recall all the functionality to you guys. So in this markdown editor, we have create document feature, toggle theme feature, okay, as well as you can toggle between our editor, the markdown editor as well. Okay, just makes, and also if you see here we have the copy functionality, rename, okay, file rename functionality as well, and also if you want to delete any markdown file we can delete, and also we have the save changes. Okay, just make sure like every time we make any changes into our markdown editor, and if we want to persist that changes, then we need to click on the save changes. Okay, so that's it all about this project. Okay, so let me explain like how we will create this project. Okay, so to create this project, no, like इस project को create करने के लिए हम tech stack में React का use करेंगे. Like it will be only of, like you can consider as a front end project. Okay, so we will use React. Along with React हम use करेंगे Tailwind CSS to create our beautiful UI. Okay, then we will use Redux Toolkit, okay, to like maintain the state into our application. Okay, and we will use, let's say, local storage to save our changes. Okay, so like you can see we have this save changes button. So once we click on the save changes button, it will store, like save my code into the local storage. Okay, and then it will fetch from there. Okay, so I hope you understood about the project, and I hope you don't have any query, but still यदि आपके पास कोई query है इस project से regarding, so you can message me in the chat section and I will try to resolve it. Okay, I just want you, there should not be any confusion like कि आज के project को किस बारे में क्या create करने जा रहे हैं. Okay, I hope everything is clear guys and you don't have any query. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all I will, so like I have already like installed or like created one project, okay, called In-Browser Markdown Editor. Okay, जहाँ पर मैंने like से React को install किया है, and also उसमें Tailwind CSS का like you can consider the basic setup has been done. Want me to set up this application, okay, or if you want to create this project along with me, okay, just a quick recap to you like how we can set up our Tailwind CSS. Okay, so to install React application I have used let's say frontend tool. Okay, so to install application with white, okay, we need to write command create white @latest. Okay, just use this command to install your React application. Okay, then after installing the React application, okay, we need to like install the Tailwind CSS as well. So it's a pretty simple. Okay, so Tailwind CSS को install करने के लिए आप Tailwind CSS site, you can say, okay, CSS, यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हम get started बटन पर क्लिक करते हैं. Okay, then framework को हमें select करना होता है. Okay, so I will choose white क्योंकि मैंने white framework का यूज किया है like अपने React application को install करने के लिए. So just choose the white, and then here you can see all the step by step. Okay, all the steps like how you can set up your Tailwind CSS with your React application. Okay, so you just need to ignore the first step, like in the first step it's so like how you can install a white project. Okay, since we have already done it. So we just need to ignore this step and we can follow from the step 2. Okay, first हमें Tailwind CSS, Post CSS और Auto Prefixer को as a dev dependency install करना होता है, and then हमें tailwind.config.js and post css.config.js file को generate करना होता है. Okay, so to generate those file we can use this command. Okay, then हमें अपने like tailwind config.js file को configure करना होता है with src file, like with our files. Okay, so to configure those file, okay, we can use this code.js file, and then in the last step we just need to add this directive. Okay, let's say add the tailwind base, add the tailwind components, and add the index.css file, or you can say the root css file. Okay, so I hope you understood कि हम tailwind css को अपने react के साथ कैसे सेटअप कर सकते हैं. Okay, if you follow this step, I am 100% sure like you will be able to install tailwind css in your application. Okay, so once you install your tailwind css, okay, so after that you just need to make some changes like into your application. First हम tailwind.config.js file पे आते हैं. So here you can see the changes, like first from the tailwind css, but after color code, okay, into our application. So here you can say I have modified the theme color. Okay, like I have used some natural primary and white color. Okay, and also I have used some font family into our application. Okay, yeah, hi Vaisak Artsan, welcome to my stream. Okay, so like you just need to modify first. Okay, so first as you file, okay, then you just need to add some css file also into your project. You just need to modify it also. Okay, so here you can say my index.css file, like you can consider it's a root css file. So here I have written some predefined css, okay, which will be useful like once a week. Okay, so you just need to modify this sentence, and if you consider like how we can get this, for that case what I will do, like I push this